Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Saint model Kimali Morgan is starring in the just-released Autumn-Winter 2018 global advertising campaign for Balenciaga, one of the biggest designer labels in the fashion world. Kimali, a resident of the inner-city community of Denhamtown, was discovered by Saint CEO and founder Dwight Peters a few years ago at his alma mater, Denhamtown High School. Kimali shot the campaign for Balenciaga earlier this year in Hollywood, Los Angeles. The campaign is now appearing in major fashion industry publications around the world. Kimali's success marks the 8th Saint model to be booked exclusively by Balenciaga. Dancehall artist Alkaline recently released a gritty new single titled Nah Tell Ya. The track, which is produced by Lee Miller, sees the DJ serving up a stern warning to his rivals, reminding them that he is no pushover. The song, which can now be streamed on Viva and Apple Music, is the #1 trending dancehall track on YouTube and has already amassed over 600,000 views since being released on Friday. The Vendetta Boss has been steadily releasing new singles over the past couple of months, such as Pick on a Side, Juggernaut, Perfect, and the party track Yardi Fiesta. Industry reports indicate that the Formula DJ is working on a major project due early next year. Reggae artist Jacure has released a new single dubbed Life is Real. With his trademark raspy vocals and passionate lyrics, Jacure explores life's hardship while crooning on a melodious beat. The track, which is now available on internet platforms YouTube and SoundCloud, also features dancehall artist Popcorn and singer and rapper Padrino. The single comes off the heels of his love song Risk It All, featuring Haitian singer Felicia Ross. Jacure and Ross collaborated on the previous hit singles Callin' Me and Unconditional Love. Life is Real is the second track released from Jacure's untitled upcoming album with VP Records. Reggae artist Protégé recently wrapped up his European tour, which saw him performing at some of the biggest mainstream festivals. He now heads to California for 2 weeks, opening up for hip-hop star Lauryn Hill on September 7 in Las Vegas, Nevada. After his stints in California, Protégé and his Indignation Band will then jet off to Japan for scheduled performances. Whilst on tour, Protégé recently debuted the visuals for No Guarantee. The track, which features fellow reggae artist Chronix, was shot in Port Royal and centers around life's unpredictability. No Guarantee is the 4th official single from Protégé's 4th full-length album, A Matter of Time, released back in June. Protégé is set to perform tomorrow in California. Now to news overseas, where rapper Nicki Minaj stars in the latest Beats by Dre commercial alongside fellow Queens native Nas and tennis star Serena Williams, who is currently in New York City for the annual US Open tournament. Nas opens the clip narrating the mom or queen dilemma surrounding Serena Williams' career as Nicki's Eminem-assisted track Majesty begins to boom throughout the commercial. Serena is then crowned the Queen of Queens in the middle of a city street while donning a couture dress. Minaj then brings the promo to a close with a bar from her famed verse on rapper Kanye West's 2010 hit Monster.
Now watch the Queen conquer.
That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.